Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Yeastar IP. Today we're going to learn how to configure inbound routes on a Yeastar PBX. We'll go to Call Control, Inbound Routes. Here, we'll define a rule, click the Add button, give it a name, and specify the trunk through which the call will enter. We'll select it from the right-hand side. Next, we'll enter the DID pattern, click Add, and here we can specify the full 10-digit DID number, for example, this number. Let's say that's the DID. If we click that Add button, it will be set as the DID. Or, if we don't know the number, we can use the pattern with the downward exclamation mark symbol. We define it exactly as shown, click Add, and it will look like this. This will allow us to receive any number coming through the trunk. Where it says Default Destination, we could enter an extension, and that's how easy it is to configure the incoming call rule. Click Save and Apply Changes. Once applied, all we have to do is test the call. You'll be able to see it in active calls. Let's do a quick test there. If you notice, the call is coming into a fanable phone. When you answer the call, two-way audio is established. We'll hang up the call. That's all for this video. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.